What makes a luxury pen so expensive? The main reason luxury goods are marked up by 1000% is the cost of distribution, wholesalers and retailers. So our team at Infinity set out to disrupt all that and bring you two world firsts in the process. Last year, we presented our pen from space and delivered the world's only meteorite pen containing a real chunk of meteorite. It went on to be selected by the World Science Festival to be presented to the world's top scientists. This year, we are very excited to present to you our new pen collection. But before we do that, here's how we made it. First, we took inspiration from the Great California Dream. During the gold rush, great cities were born and pioneering fortunes were made. People just like us were inspired by adventure and opportunity. We were inspired to design a pen that captured this pioneering time and entrepreneurial spirit. Our vision was to design a beautiful luxury pen centered on a pure gold nugget, a design challenge never attempted before. After months of extensive research and development, we achieved our goal. We created the exclusive Gold Rush pen series, each pen unique and with its own character and story to tell. To ensure each pen is truly unique, we select the optimum raw gold nuggets. We teamed up directly with world-renowned gold providers to help source the best American gold and ensure the highest quality possible. We showcase each unique nugget in a museum-quality miniature enclosure to display it exactly as it left the ground. In fact, we are so confident in the quality of the pens, we offer a lifetime guarantee with every order. There are 4 writing experiences available. For those of us that simply love writing and great design, we present the Gold Rush fountain pen. For architectural and engineering precision work, there is the Gold Rush mechanical pencil. For those that like simplicity, the classic Gold Rush ballpoint with twist action. And finally, our most popular rollerball format, featuring super smooth delivery and ultra-fast ink drying, a true everyday carry. What's more, you'll know your pen is truly unique and rare. All premium lines are strictly limited edition and available in precious black resin and laser-sintered titanium. By backing this project, you'll be joining in a unique design challenge to deliver the world's first pen range to use a gold nugget and laser-sintered titanium technology. To get your Infinity Gold Rush pen, click on the green button that says Back this project and claim your discounted price now. And remember, take advantage of this limited time offer while you still can. Early pledges will receive pre-Christmas delivery. Make your pledge now and we'll see you on the other side.
I am offering 3 unique EDC or everyday carry pieces. The purpose of these small metal objects is to remind the holder that time is fleeting and that the future is uncertain, so do your best to enjoy the present and to make your life extraordinary. Upon the successful funding of my campaign, I will have my newly redesigned Carpe Diem coin professionally minted in a solid brass alloy with an antique bronze finish. Tempus Fugit translates to time flies, a reminder that time is fleeting, and once it has passed, it is gone forever. As we get older, this sentiment rings more and more true. We look back upon our childhood and young adult years with longing, remembering the good old days when life seemed more simple. The Tempus Fugit Curio is a skull, an unmistakable representation of death, with an escapement gear that would be found in any mechanical clock or watch, prominently displayed in its forehead, representing the continual passing of time. Memento Mori translates literally to remember death. It is the medieval Christian practice of reflecting on one's mortality as a means of considering the vanity of earthly life and the emptiness of earthly goods and pursuits. The Memento Mori stone was designed to show that even though we feel safe, even immortal at times, death may be closer than we think. To represent this idea in an everyday carry piece, I designed what looks to be a secure, ironclad, riveted box with a skull peering out through a broken area. Carpe Diem, which translates to seize the day, is in its own way another reminder of one's mortality. To seize the day is to make the most of today and to not trust in tomorrow. It is an instruction to make the most of the opportunities which come your way and to live each and every day with passion and meaning. The Carpe Diem coin was designed as a challenge coin that can be easily carried and given away to friends and family. It is a reminder to the holder that time is fleeting, that death waits at the end for all of us, so do something good and meaningful with the time that you have. Live each day to the fullest.